when I get back from an art show, my studio is an absolute dumpster fire. And here it is in all of its messy glory. It's going to get all cleaned up, and I can't wait to show you. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you love it. And here we go. We got it all cleaned up. Woohoo! I can't work in a messy studio. I can work in some kind of mess, but not a ton. But here we go. We got it all cleaned up, and I'm ready to work again. Up above my doorway and all around my room is this great shelf that my husband put up for me. And I have all sorts of work there that I can store my supplies. I've got a lot of small work going on up there. It's all on my website, SharonDurbinGravesArt.com.